Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS Systems Manager parameter store values step by step clearly. Open the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Systems Manager service. In the left-hand menu, click on Parameter Store. Review the list of existing Identify the parameter values you intend to backup. You can search for specific parameters using the search bar. Select the desired parameters by checking the corresponding boxes. Click on Actions at the top right of the parameters list. Choose Export to JSON from the drop-down menu. This will prompt a new dialog box to appear. Select the required parameter version if applicable. Click on the Export button in the dialog box. The parameters will be packaged into a JSON file. Once the export is complete, locate the downloaded JSON file. Open the JSON file using any text editor. Verify that all parameter values are accurately backed up. If needed, store the JSON file in a secure location. Consider adding versioning to your storage for easy tracking. Periodically repeat this backup process for updated parameters. Implement additional backup strategies if necessary. Ensure you follow your organization's data management policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.